Hi everyone, it's Melody Lane here, and this is my fourth video on the new design space. And we've gone over adding text and finding the images and editing the images. Let's go on to upload image. So we're going to go ahead and do a basic upload, and we're going to browse, and we're going to do this one, an Easter egg. Okay, and right here you can choose if it's simple, moderate, or complex. This one is simple. I'm going to be showing you how to do this one in two different ways, and then I'm going to do a more complex image and a printable image. This image is huge. The bigger the image, the better it will cut, most likely. And this must be a PNG because the background is already taken out. Let's preview this as it is. And it's just the shape of an egg. That's what I want for this one. And we'll upload it again and get more detail. But I do just want a solid egg. So let's hit continue. Let's name this egg. And let's click this button. It says preserve original image within the shape. I don't want to do that. If I wanted to print this as it is, I might want to do that. But I don't. So let's hit save, and it's going to make it just a black egg, as you see here. Okay, let's go ahead and upload it again. And it's still a simple image. So let's go ahead and hit continue. And it's huge. Still, of course, it's the same image. Okay, so we zoomed out over here. And this time, I think I'm going to delete everything that's white inside. So all of these will cut out. Let's hit preview. And sometimes it's hard to see, but there's a fine red line to show how it's going to cut. Let's go ahead and hit continue. And we'll name this one Easter egg. Whoops. I forgot to check that. So now it's going to be printable, and we'll go ahead and keep it that way. And I'll show you how to change that in a minute. And I want to upload it one more time. Because I can show you can change the magic wand. Now, if you change it and click on the black, it gets rid of the whole outline. That's not something you might want to do. Let's hit undo. Okay, so we undid that. And now, I think I just want to remove the chevrons. I don't want my Easter egg to have the circles. So let's preview that. So now it's just the chevron. Let's hit continue. And we're going to click this preserve original image. And let's do egg chev. I'll know it's chevron. Oh, I better type in chevron. So if I search chevrons, I'll get it. Save it. Okay, now look, out of that one image, we have 3 different types of eggs. Let's go ahead and bring these in. And we're going to go to insert image. And they all come in right on top of each other. Now you say you don't want black eggs. No. We can change it. This is the printed one. Let's go ahead and change this one first. Let's do pink. And we can do purple. I could put that on top of that. See, I wanted a solid one. Okay, now this one though, it says printer. We can change the color of it, but it's going to print. I don't really want it to print. Let's get it cut to cut out instead of print. So what we want to do is change it to cut. That's all you have to do with this one. If you uploaded it to print, all you have to do is click here and change it to cut. You used to have to unflatten it and everything, but this one was already unflattened. All you had to do was hit cut. You could put this on top of there to have a little extra. And you could go like this, and wanted to print it, you could flatten it like that. And then that becomes one image, and it will print like that and cut out around the egg. Or you can unflatten it if you change your mind. But it's still set to print, and then you just got to change it to cut. Now it's back to cut. So that's how you can easily upload images. And in the next video, we'll do something a little more complex. Maybe something to print out. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. But first, here's a shout out to a few of my supporters on Patreon. Thanks, everyone. Bye. Juan Moreno, Lena Knutson, Michelle Mills, Stephanie Ferrace Hamilton, Lynn Panasco, Misty Kelly, Janet Walker, and Nancy Underwood. Thanks, everyone. Bye.